Now we gotta test the audios. I'm getting my AirPods Pro on, and the setup for Sony camera, we had a external audio as well. So just do a comparison between side by side with the audios and see what you guys are thinking. Pretty much, I'm climbing the stairs right now. The low is a very stable, but you can see it's a bit shaking. For the camera side, obviously. Although we have some stabilized lenses, but it doesn't really. From my experience, I think the output of the video is gonna be a bit globally shaking. For the Sony side, an Insta360, I think it should have a bit of smooth and stable. 哇，这个圈转的还是挺那个啊，挺有成就感的，是怎么样的 ？Yeah, I have tested the audio this morning out of the box. Just the connection is very good. I mean, it probably takes 1 or 2 seconds once you hook up with the AirPod. I love that. But right after that, I can hear the pitch noise. It's a really high pitch noise and a little bit of lagging. I would say 1 or 2 seconds lagging. 对。But this can be verified or can be automated. This can be altered. This backwards the sun, and it's facing the sun. So other box, I haven't done any adjustments for this camera yet.
马路了，
走到上面了，走完了吗？
完了呀，
啊？
完了呀。
那走过去吧，
这个是个马路。
再走过去，再走过去。
看吧，看。
应该是 private property 那边过去。
整个这一片都是他家的呀。
这个公园肯定不是他家的。那我们就走回去吧。那个绿草，阴阴的感觉啊。哎，那里还有一只羊驼，你看，感觉那里好像又像是一个 restaurant， 又不像。啊 ？The watch house。不过这个挺有意思啊，一路一路走过来。Yeah, if the AirPod feature works, there will be a huge bonus for Insta360 in the video camera. Because the actual quality for AirPod Pro wasn't too bad. I think it's between above the average if you hook up with the iPhone. So yeah. Running a bit faster. Let's see what happens with the stabilization and action. 哇，老婆，这样好看了，你太美了，这样。啊？我就在拍你啊，现在。